Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur video background in Capcut. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Capcut application, then simply tap on this new project and then simply select your video, tap on this add into your project. Now you have to select your video in this timeline and then you can see these options in the bottom here. Now select this video and tap on this duplicate. Now tap on this second video, scroll to the right and tap on this overlay. Now place it right underneath this first video. Now tap on this second video in the timeline, scroll to the right and tap on this remove BG and tap on this auto removal. So now wait until it removes. Now what you have to do is you have to select this video again and simply scroll to the right again to find the blur effect. Tap on this effects and tap on this video effects. You have to search here blur. Now tap on this blur background and simply tap on this blur. And now if you go back, you will see you have a very good blur in your background. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.